नमस्ते बच्चों। आज आप अपनी 6वीं क्लास की सेकेंड लैंग्वेज क्लास के रिवीजन में हैं। आज उससे क्लास में जाने से पहले मैं आपको आई हैव टू टेल यू द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग दैट कोरोना वायरस इज स्प्रेडिंग मोर, सो ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज़ बी सेफ इन योर होम, डोंट गो आउटसाइड विदाउट मास्क, बेटर यू कैन बी इन योर होम सेफली। अच्छा बच्चों, अभी आज का रिवीजन है आपका तीसरा वीडियो, यानी कि नादान दोस्त। सो फॉर नादान दोस्त, फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, ऑलरेडी यू हैव सीन द वीडियो, बट नाउ आई वांट यू टू recall the lesson one time. So first we will see about the writer of this lesson, that means Munshi Premchand. So he is the writer of this story. What he is telling, because of some reasons always we will be troubling the animals or birds. Yes, so for our happiness we will be making them to go in a lot of suffering position. So we should not do that, like that the Munshi Premchand he is telling in this story. So before going into the lesson, first I will give you the simple introduction about Munshi Premchand. हिंदी के श्रेष्ठ उपन्यासकार मुंशी प्रेमचंद्र का जन्म 31 जुलाई 1880 को बनारस के पास लमही नामक ग्राम में हुआ. So the meaning of this thing is, so Munshi Premchand he was born in 31 July 1880 and he was born in the place Banaras in a small village Lamahi, and then his original name was प्रेमचंद्र का वास्तविक नाम धनपत राय था. So Munshi Premchand, it is the name given by the writing society, that means writers society, but his original name was धनपत राय. And then प्रेमचंद द्वारा रचित कहानियों ने कहानी विधा को नवी दिशा प्रदान की है. So what they are telling, Premchand he has shown the correct way for the writers, that how they should write a perfect story, how the story should be, what the story should have, what is the main reason of that story, and finally the moral of that story. So he only has told all the writers that how we should write a proper story. Next, इनका निधन 1936 में हुआ. निधन that means death. His death was in 1936. So children, now you have seen the history, that means life history of, and the small introduction about Munshi Premchand. Next, I am going to recall the story. So first, Nadan Dost. Nadan Dost means, this is not a dost means you know that दोस्त का मतलब होता है मित्र, लेकिन इसमें हम मित्रता के बारे में नहीं देखने वाले, हम इसमें देखने वाले हैं चिड़िया के बारे में. अभी क्या होता है बच्चों, इस कहानी में दो बच्चे हैं, यानी कि श्यामा और केशव. ये दोनों भाई बहन हैं. सो दीस बोथ आर ब्रदर्स. सो दे आर हैविंग कार्निश. व्हाट इज मीन बाय कार्निश? कार्निश मीन्स द फ्रंट पोर्शन ऑफ portico. Okay, so there they are having two little birds, that means one girl bird and one male bird and one female bird. So these both are living in that nest. So in this picture you can see how the birds are there, and they are having 3 or 4 eggs in the nest. So the children are very very happy by seeing that nest, that the bird has kept the nest in their corniche. Okay, so the next, what is happening, daily that two children in this picture you can see, these two children, they are always coming in front of their portico, and they both are seeing the birds and the nest always, because this is very very new and this is very very funny for them. Okay, so in this picture you can see that. So next, here after few days the nest and the bird was there and the egg is also in that. Now they are having the eagerness that they have to see the egg in a near position. Okay, so now what they are doing, केशव क्या करता है, श्यामा से बोलकर एक बड़ा स्टूल लेके आने के लिए कहता है. Then now they are keeping the stool and Shyama is catching the stool and Keshav, he is on the stool and he is seeing the bird's nest which is with egg. But here what he is doing, just he is touching the eggs. So next, by touching the egg, what happened? By touching the egg, because of touching, now the egg has the position that it has dirty position, right? So when you are touching the egg will be white. When you are touching with your hands, because sometime what will happen, the egg may become dirty. So when the eggs are dirty, when the birds, they are coming again and seeing the egg, they know that somebody has touched the eggs. So this time what happened, because he has kept the nest and the egg under the cloth. He is setting the cloth. He is making some umbrella. So this one in the previous video itself I told you, right? So because of that, the eggs are falling down and it has been broken. So now these two children, they are going to their mother and telling her that the eggs has been destroyed. So mother is asking why the eggs has been destroyed. So in this picture you can see that these two children, they both are explaining to her mother, right? So mother is laughing for that thing, because you children, you don't know what you have to do with that egg and the bird. So because of your careless, because of your eagerness, the bird's eggs has destroyed. So please hereafter don't go and touch anything which is related to the birds or animals. So children, this is the little small recalling portion of our lesson Nadan Dost. Now next you have to take your classwork and you are going to write your classwork. Okay. So for your classwork, you are going to write meanings, opposites, question answers. Okay, so first we are going to write शब्दार्थ. बच्चों, आप अपने क्लास वर्क में पार्ट 3 यानी नादान दोस्त का हेडिंग लिखकर अभी शब्दार्थ लिखना शुरू कीजिए. So first one, मालूम. मालूम means पता. So what is मालूम? I know. I know that. I know this. That is only मालूम. The meaning of मालूम is पता. Next, जिज्ञासा, जानने की इच्छा. So जिज्ञासा means you are having interest to know something. That is only जिज्ञासा. That is only जानने की इच्छा. Next, third one, चालाक. चालाक means चतुर. So chatur means clever. So when you are clever, that is they will be telling as चालाक. Okay. Next, fourth one, किवाड़. किवाड़ means दरवाजा, door. What is किवाड़? Door. So that is दरवाजा. ताकना, देखना. ताकना means children, you are having two meanings. Just you are standing inside the room and just you are peeping your head outside. That is ताकना. And the meaning of that is देखना, that seeing. So till now you have seen your meanings. That means शब्दार्थ. So next Roman letter we are going to see Vilom Shabd. Vilom Shabd, you know that is opposites, right? So opposites. So what you have to do? Put second Roman letter and start writing Vilom Shabd. So first one, dar. What is dar? Fear. Nidar, unfear. Next, upar. Second one is upar, up. Niche, down. Third one, utna. Stand. Baithna, sit. So stand, sit. Next, fourth one, andar, inside. Bahar, outside. Fifth one, andhera. Answer is ujala. So darkness, brightness. So now you have seen the Vilom Shabd. Next, we are going to see the question answer. That means 5 small questions. So first question, पहला प्रश्न है, श्यामा ने भैया को कहाँ चढ़ने के लिए कहा था और क्यों. So the question is chadne, that means climbing or on which. Okay. So what is the question? Where Shyama is asking her brother to climb up. Okay. Answer is, now you have to write your answer. श्यामा ने कार्निश पर चिड़िया के अंडे देखने थे. So Shyama, she wants to see the eggs of that birds in a cornice. So cornice, what I told you, the front portion of your portico, right? अथवा उसने भाई से कार्निश पर चढ़ने के लिए कहा. So she is asking her brother to climb in a stool and see the eggs. So now the first question is over. Now come to the second question. दूसरा प्रश्न, केशव और श्यामा को किसमें मजा आता था. मजा, that means funny, yeah, that means enjoying. Maja means enjoying. So in what situation they are enjoying a lot. So now उत्तर, केशव और श्यामा को चिड़ा और चिड़िया को देखने में मजा आता था. So when they are feeling very enjoying or very funny, केशव और श्यामा को चिड़ा और चिड़िया, चिड़ा means male bird, चिड़िया means female bird. By seeing that two birds, they are feeling very enjoyment. So this is the meaning for the second question. Now coming to the third question, बच्चों की आँखों में नींद क्यों नहीं थी. नींद, what is mean by नींद? That means sleep. Why the children, they don't have sleep in their eyes. So now answer, उत्तर, बच्चे चिड़िया के अंडों के देखभाल करना चाहते थे, इस कारण उनकी आँखों में नींद नहीं थी. So they want to see the eggs again and again. Because of that, they don't have sleep in their eyes. So the third question has over. Now coming to the fourth question, चौथा प्रश्न, श्यामा कब उठी, उठते ही उसने क्या किया. So उठी, उठते, what is the meaning? उठी means awaking. So Shyama was in sleep, and when she is get-upping, and after get-upping from the bed, after awaking from the bed, what she is doing, that is the question. Now उत्तर, श्यामा 4 बजे उठी. What is the first sentence? कब उठी, when she awake, right? So श्यामा 4 बजे उठी. 4 means 4. So she awake at 4 o'clock. उठते ही वह कार्निश के पास पहुंची. So immediately when she is awaking, she went to the portico, that means cornice, to see the birds. The next question is fifth question, पांचवा प्रश्न, दोनों चिड़िया बार बार कहाँ आती थी. बार बार, what is the meaning? बार बार means again and again. So what is the question? Where the two birds are coming again and again. Now the answer, उत्तर, दोनों चिड़िया बार बार कार्निश पर आती थी. So where the two birds are coming again and again, दोनों चिड़िया, both birds, बार बार कार्निश पर आती थी. So again and again these two birds are coming to the cornice, that means portico. Children, so today we have revised this lesson, Nadan Dost. So first we have seen Shabdarth, and then Vilom Shabd, and then question answers. So after copying your classwork, your responsibility is that you have to revise this chapter then and there. Because when you are keep revising then and there, you may not forget this question answers, Shabdarth and Vilom Shabd. So please keep on revising. With the next revision video, I will meet you all. Till that, please keep on revising, and with my advice, please be aware of COVID-19, that means coronavirus, and please be safe in your home. धन्यवाद बच्चों.